Hi everybody, wanted to record a little video showing you how to use the Google video chat platform. So go to google.com, log into your account, and then click on the square shaped item and then find the Hangout app. Click on it and it'll open a new window and choose video call. And it's going to open a Hangout video chat window, and you can invite people either using their email, or you can just copy the link to this video chat and send it to them by any means you want. And that link is here, this URL that you see here. So I feel that this is the best way to share the Hangout with people, because then if they join the Hangout or they didn't get the email or didn't get the notification, they can always use this link to join the chat. Sometimes people drop out of the call and then you would have to invite them again. But instead, if they have this link, they can just come back in. So you can copy the link to share and then invite people. So then how do you do a presentation? You go in here and then you say share screen. And then you can either share your entire screen or choose a particular application. For example, if you're doing a presentation, if you need to have your presentation open already, and then once you come in here, you just choose a particular application and share it. So let's see, let me just open PowerPoint, and then once it's open, then I can choose from application window, I can choose the PowerPoint and then share, and then it is going to share instead of seeing my face, everybody who's in the chat is going to see what you're sharing from your screen. And then once whatever you do on this, either let's say if you create a new presentation or if you want to show a presentation, everything is going to be seen live on the screen. And note that you can't really take this slide presentation if you're using PowerPoint. You can't really take it full screen, so you have to do the best you can to make this part of the slide that has your presentation as visible as you can. And whenever you are done sharing your screen, you can just say stop, and then it's going to go back to your face. You can, while you're everybody is part of the chat, you can do a text chat while you're talking with each other as well. So you chat and then you type something in here and send the message, and everybody who is part of the chat is going to see it. This is a button where you can invite people, and this is also settings for your Hangout. So which video you want to use. If you have an extra camera here, you can choose it. You can choose a microphone. In this case, speaker, which speaker you want to use. You can set your bandwidth, so on and so forth. So it's pretty simple, and when you are done, you can just close the window. I wanted to point out two things. Sometimes when there's a group of people that are participating in a chat, if you are not using headphones, and I really encourage that you use headphones, even though I'm not using it right now, then when everybody's microphones are on, then everything echoes. So when there is a group of people in part of the chat and only one person is presenting, you can basically mute yourself. So if I click this, then you won't hear me anymore. Or sometimes maybe you want to leave the camera or do something that you don't want the other people to see, you can mute your camera. So here I'm muting my camera, and then I'm unmuting it again, and then in here I can mute myself, so you can't hear me anymore. And then once you're done with the chat, you can just close it. It's a pretty simple system, and I hope this presentation was helpful.